Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about Dropbox. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Dropbox and we click. Here if you find update, you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.